Most people think that real estate investment near Mumbai is either expensive, too crowded, or already saturated. But smart investors know something else. The real opportunity lies where development is just beginning, where land is still open, and where nature and connectivity coexist. Hi, my name is Mehak and you are watching Gen Z Real Tech Private Limited, and today I will be introducing you to a 1.5 acre non-agricultural Lakeview land investment opportunity in Kasaraghat located within the extended Mumbai region. Before talking about the project, let's discuss about where it is. Kasaraghat is strategically positioned to offer the best of both worlds. Peaceful countryside living with strong urban access. Just 30 minutes from Thane, around 1.5 hours from the airport, only 2 kilometers from the Kasaraghat railway station and near Bellevue, a project by Rustamji Groups. This means your land is not isolated or speculative. It is connected, accessible and future ready, a key factor for any long-term investment. Now let's talk about scale because scale defines value. The project is a part of a massive 100 acres underdeveloped land. In today's market, finding large continuous land parcels near Mumbai is becoming extremely rare. Most developments are fragmented. Most land banks are already exhausted. A 100-acre contiguous parcel automatically creates long-term appreciation potential, especially as infrastructure and demand expand outwards from the city. Here's where this project truly separates itself. Each villa is allocated 1,000 square yards of private land, ensuring complete privacy, no congestion, no overdevelopment. Low-density projects historically perform better as investments because scarcity drives demand. And scarcity is exactly what this project offers. Now let's talk about nature because nature adds premium. Few villas enjoy open lake views, creating a visual and emotional appeal that never depreciates. Additionally, natural waterfalls are located nearby, enhancing both lifestyle value and rental potentials. These natural elements are not artificial features, they are permanent assets. And permanent natural assets consistently increase land desirability over time. For investors, legality is non-negotiable. The project follows 100% government-mandated compliances, proper land classification, clear documentation, approved development norms. This eliminates uncertainty and protects your capital. Now let's understand this as an investment, not just a lifestyle choice. You are investing in a large land bank near Mumbai, a low-density premium asset, a location with improving connectivity, and a project that can serve multiple purposes, be it a weekend home, long-term holding, holiday rental, or a future asset. Flexibility increases liquidity, and liquidity increases investors' confidence. As cities expand, the first areas to benefit are those that already have road access, rail proximity, clear land titles. Kasaraghat fits into that growth pattern, with each villa having potential of 20 to 30K per night rental. Early entry is where maximum appreciation is created. In a market where genuine land opportunities are disappearing, projects like this are limited, not just in number but in nature. So if you're looking for an investment that combines safety, security and future upside, this Kasaraghat Villa project deserves your attention. Get in touch through the number given on the screen to understand pricing, availability and site visits in detail.